Apple's new iOS 18.4 has been updated with Sketch Style feature in Image Playground app on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Open the Image Playground app on your iPhone. Tap on the plus button to add a new image creation. Now, tap the plus button at the bottom right corner and select Sketch option. Then, choose a photo or take a photo from here. I am browsing photos with a clear face appearing in them. Otherwise, you will receive a try a photo with the face more in view error. As you can see, the picture differs in animation style and illustration style. Once you are okay with the picture, tap on Done from the top right corner. That's it. Save to camera roll or share with others on social from the bottom share option. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.